for Splash of Style, an international event fusing together art, music, and of course, fashion. Tonight, we'll be seeing designs from Vigo, The Now, Status Plus, and Royals. Whose collection are you most excited to see tonight?
Oh my goodness, Paige. Every single designer that is showing tonight, I'm excited to see all of the collections. I've had a sneak peek at some of them, and I would have to say I really do appreciate the Royals collection from what I've seen so far. I think Ben's gonna do a smashing job on the runway with his models.
I agree, Ben. He has an incredible background, and his experience with the Arts Initiative Toronto is just so incredible. Tell me, are you excited to see his hoodigans?
Oh, I am so excited to see those hoodigans. He's incredible at what he does, and I think it'll really show on the runway. This venue is incredible. From all of the artwork that's being displayed this evening to this beautiful red carpet when you first walk in, the DJ booth looks amazing. I just have such an appreciation for this gallery.
How do you feel about being here in Miami?
Oh, I'm loving it. People here have been so nice. I have to come back to Miami. I think it is such an amazing city, and it's got such an eclectic art scene. I think choosing an art gallery is the perfect venue for this event.
So tonight we're here at this amazing event, Splash of Style. It's an event that's been occurring for quite a little while now, and it's finally been brought to Miami. And the person who brought it is Nico. Hi Nico, how are you?
Priscilla, always a pleasure to see you.
Likewise, likewise. So tell me a little bit about the history of the event and how you got it started.
Sure, no problem. Originally, I thought of the idea of doing a Splash of Style in Calgary, and we were doing it during the Calgary Stampede. So I wanted to fuse together music, film, fashion, art, technology, and do an event for everybody, and kind of offer something a little bit different, something unique. Therefore, Splash of Style was born. Then what we decided to do is bring it to other cities. We brought it to Toronto, and then next thing we were like, Splash of Style, you have to come to Miami. What better time to bring it to Miami than Miami Swimwear Week? So
Absolutely, absolutely.
I'm happy for Miami as someone that has lived here, and it can only get better from here. So I'm so excited to see where it goes.
As am I, as am I. And as Nico said, Miami has grown, and the art and the culture and the fashion has exploded here. And we're so glad that Splash of Style has decided to become a part of it. Thank you so much, Nico.
Thank you so much.